já soube da novidade? A dona da loja de carro de Tyler.
What the f? Don't flip!
Meow 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 meow.
昨天的第一杯奶茶哦。
Guys, I just looked and my car is getting towed. What do I do?
Hey, little crackhead. What are you doing?
So you come here often?
T'es gonflé, hein.
Are you for real? Go away. I'm taking a Go. Go. Leave.
Doopy doopy doo, doopy 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 doo, doopy. Oh!
This is my house. This is Satana. He's my friend. Let's go.
So you got a magnificent pair of bananas. Oh, great heavens! Meow?
And nothing can go wrong. Oh no, it all went wrong.
Dude, who ate all the cream cheese?
Уважаемые пассажиры, пристегните ремни. Пилот Николаевич этого судна сейчас отправит всех вас на Марс. Епта!
Wow, you can eat your own ass at 8 a.m., but you can't get a job?
좀 생겼냐? Oh my god! What are you doing? Did you?
En ese momento, Cell sintió el verdadero.
Примитивные ужасы, когда там тихо, 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 и вдруг там выпрыгнул из...
Luke, no! Oh my gosh, get down from there.
You're crazy. I guess you don't have to drive after all.
What's the quote of the day?
Toyota.
The next train at platform 1 is the 1210 West Midlands Railway service to Stourbridge Town. Calling at Stourbridge Town only. This train is formed of one carriage.
Hey, you're over serving, dude.
Can I get a give me that oh.
Sai, você vai pra lá.
Sometimes I think, and then I forget.
Mir.
Was ist zwischen diesen süßen Öhrchen? Ist da etwa Hirn? Nein, kein Hirn, nur Fluff.
Anyone would have a brain, that's who. You got half a brain, don't you?
Are you serious? Relax. Relax.
Tonight's the night. And it's going to happen again and again.
There's literally nothing I hate more than cutting onions. Also, what the
Clean water.
Güzel Nurten'i, kaderli Nurten, kısmetli Nurten.
他怎么是这么叫的？
Alright, Ray. My boy. Sugar, no. Hey, let her go. Oh my god. Let her go.
I thought this was supposed to be the most.
On March 3rd, my youngest daughter, Barbara, was murdered in her home in Madison.
You're trying to avoid.
Daisy.
Guys, fucking ass. Hey! Hey!
Release me! Release me!
Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche, los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora.
Finally, all the trash is out. Well, most of the trash, and this thing's looking pretty damn good. Shut the fuck! Oh no! Блять, кто на коте приехал?
Hi. Артур, будешь шутить? Oh, he's good, buddy.
Was you on the phone and you on the bus? Then who was flickering the lights? Nosferatu!
Dice que no existe.
¿Necesitas apoyo?
Necesito uno más grande.
¡Milo! ¿Qué te pasa?
His belly.
แบบว่าเกิดมาข้ามีแค่ชีวิตเดียวแต่ได้ใช้มันกับเจ้าก็เป็นชีวิต
Serafino.
Turkey slice. Frankie. There you go. There you go, Mama. Bye, Mama.
This girl is the nastiest skank I've ever
Matt. Извинись.
Извинись.
Hey, Batman. I live in the shadows. Justice. Forgot them! I need to go to the Batcave. Batman needs his supplies. Forgot them!
Семен, кто трогал безе?
Let me tell you something right now. Let me tell you something right now. Let me tell you something right now. At the end of the day, I will f you up. And I'm trying to be the bigger person, even though you...
Long live the king.
På. På. På.
Hey. Ama ne yapıyorsun, öyle olmaz. Pamuk var burada. Ama pamuk var burada. Yürümsene. Pamuk nefes alamıyor. Bak git işte. Ne yapıyorsun sen, yaramaz mısın? Sen yaramaz mısın?
Babe! Yeah. Babe! Your dad's not here. You better stop it or else I'm gonna call your dad.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
This is my new cat. Welcome to the family, Garbage Man McTrash. We call him Garbo for short. The vet clinic in which my job shares a parking lot found him in the garbage can. He came home last night and I was eating pizza and he tried to eat some of it. So I think the name fits.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
I brought these gifts for you. They're up in my bum.